everyone. Start off by cutting the shape out of a square sheet of paper. Then take a strip of red paper, make multiple of these, arrange them one underneath the other. Now take a cut-up bottle, add tape all around and then wrap this paper around it. Line it with yellow sheets at the top and the bottom and then add a handle to it along with the decorative piece underneath. Take an A4 size paper, fold it in half, make these wing shape out of it as such, and then cut it out accordingly. Now, take this Yakult empty bottle and then add it in the center as such. Add two circular shapes on either side and then add the face of a butterfly along with the antenna at the top. Take this empty container, cut out the center of it, and now wrap it around using fairy lights as such. Use a hot glue gun in order to make it stay in a space. Take multiple green balls out of clay, add an orange center to it as such. Do this out of various colors and now let it hang as a decorative piece. Next, take a bottle, cut it up using the bottom portion of it. Take a red sheet of paper, make multiple slits on one end of it, and now taking tape, stick it all around the center of it. Add a handle to the top and then add flowers all around. Take a cup to begin with and then afterwards make these markings on it and then cut it out accordingly. After you've cut it out, add a hole in the center, add a rubber band through it, add a pearl so that it does not come through. Now add a propeller-like shape to the front, twist it in place. Next, start off by taking this bottle, cut out the top of it as such, add some tissue into it and then add clay on top of this. Take multiple lollipops, stick them in and then take a mask, separate the layers and then shape it and arrange it like a bouquet. Add the outside to it and add a little bow to it as well. Take an orange, cut off the top of it and then loosen it and then take out the fruit portion of it as such. Now, after this, cut out the shape of a pumpkin face onto it as such. Once you have done this, add a thread to the sides on either side. Add light within it and let it hang. Next, we'll start off phone shape made out of paper, add black and white out of glue and then afterwards press it together in the bag. After this, your phone shape on top of this and then you may make any colors that you want. Next, we'll start off by taking these shells and then color it on top. We have started off by using a blue marker and then within this we have done it in orange. Make multiple lines as such to it and this is what it should look like. Now you may do this out of multiple shells in different colors as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a 21 by 14 centimeter sheet of paper, fold it over vertically to begin with and then make these diagonal folds to it. Making the shape, you may slowly begin to make a double layer to it and then afterwards cut it out accordingly. Now, once you open it up, this is what it should look like, a decorative snowflake. Now, take a 21 by 14 centimeter sheet of paper, fold it over vertically, then fold it over diagonally as such. After you fold it over as such, make the shape out of it that is curved on one end and then afterwards cut it out in the shape. Once you open it up, this is what it should look like. Next, take a rock and then using a marker, color it in as such with pink and white. Make these window-like shapes and then begin to color it in blue. Afterwards, add wheels at the bottom and then this is what it should look like. Add the little detailing such as the lines in the glass to it as well. Take a leaf and then begin to color this leaf in the colors of a butterfly. Make it as colorful as possible. Now we have added little details to it such as lines and dots as such. We have done this in different colors as well, as you can see. Now, in order to do this, start off by taking a cup and then black it out using a black marker as such. Take any sort of sharp object and make multiple holes onto it all around the cup as such. Add some thread to it at the bottom and now add it onto some light. Now stick it together. Next, we'll start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold over the bottom horizontally multiple times, insert one end into the other and stick it with tape. Thank you for watching.